Okay.
So in this class, let us discuss about internal combustion engine. So we know that heat engine is a device, it's a machine, so which converts heat energy that will be supplied into mechanical energy. So heat energy will be obtained through the fuels. Okay, so from the fuels after the combustion that will liberate the heat. So heat energy will be converted into mechanical energy in case of this heat engine. Okay. So heat energy is supplied to the engine by burning the fuel. So we know that to develop heat energy we need a fuel. So different types of fuel we are going to use in our heat engines. So heat engine can be broadly classified into two types. So one is external combustion engine and another one is internal combustion engine. So this explanation will be given as where this combustion takes place. So whether the combustion takes place inside the engine cylinder or outside the engine cylinder. Okay. So in case of internal combustion engine, so combustion of fuel takes place inside the engine cylinder. Okay. For example, the external combustion engine where combustion takes place outside the engine cylinder. So examples of the internal combustion engine, that is combustion takes place inside the engine cylinder will be around different types of engines like diesel engine, petrol engine, gas engines. So in all those type of engines, combustion of fuel takes place inside the engine cylinder. In case of external combustion engines, the examples will be the steam engines and steam turbines. So where combustion of fuel takes place outside the engine cylinder. So these IC engines can be broadly classified according to different various types of categories. So one among them is cycle of operation. So how much cycles or number of strokes required to complete one working cycles. So that is 2-stroke and 4-stroke. According to the different types of cycles, so on which cycle it works. So like that it can be classified into Otto cycle, diesel cycle and semi-diesel cycle or dual combustion cycle. So in case of Otto cycles, combustion takes place inside the engine cylinder in constant volume. In case of diesel cycle, combustion takes place under constant pressure. Okay. According to the type of fuel, so we know that there are different types of fuel we are going to use. So like the petrol engine, diesel, or the gas or gasoline. Okay. So there are different types of fuels: petrol, diesel, gas. Ignition method. Okay. How combustion takes place. So combustion is initiated by different types of methods like spark ignition and compression ignition. Cooling system. So whether the engine will be air cooled or water cooled. So under that category it can be classified into two types of internal combustion engine, that is air cooled engines and water cooled engines. Valves located. So there are different types of valves not to have a air intake or fuel intake or fuel exhaust. So that is L head, T head, I head and F head. So these are the main components of this IC engine. So it may be mainly consists of the camshaft, spark plug, valve spring. So from that inlet valve there will be mixture in. So mixture may be air and petrol or only the fuel. And this is the mixture in and exhaust valve out. So intake valve. So this is our piston, the cylinder. So where there is a connection between the piston and the cylinder to the connecting rod. The crankshaft will have a crankcase, so where the combustion will be takes place. So that is the main components of the IC engine. The different terminologies will be used in case of this IC engine. That mainly when it consists of strokes. As I mentioned, there are different strokes, maybe 2-stroke or 4-stroke. What do you mean by stroke? A stroke is nothing but it's a linear distance or vertical distance between top dead center and the bottom dead center. So that is called one stroke. Okay, the piston will move from TDC to BDC, one stroke will be happening. So top dead center is nothing but the extreme upright position of the piston is called the TDC or top dead center, and upstream bottom position of the piston is called bottom dead center, and the bore. So bore is nothing but the diameter of the cylinder. So inside diameter of the cylinder will be called as bore. Okay. And clearance volume. So clearance volume is nothing but, so there is a volume that will be left over the top dead center. That is called clearance volume. Will have intake manifold, exhaust, cylinder head. So the cylinder will be covered by a portion that will be called as the cylinder head. And the combustion takes place inside the cylinder. So this is our cylinder. Okay, these are all the major terminals what we are going to use. that is ADC, VDC, stroke, bore. So stroke can be denoted by L and bore can be denoted by tan D. TDC, VDC, clearance volume is having the denoted by VC, and main one thing that will be called as compression ratio. So compression ratio is nothing but the ratio of total cylinder volume to the clearance volume. Okay, total cylinder volume can be